Hey guys, OneManOneCamera. Hello, hello. Today is June 4th, about 8 p.m., 100 degrees Fahrenheit here in Las Vegas. I'm down here downtown at the Fremont Street Experience. It's the first day of opening, and I was going to take a look at the experience, but I saw that the Circa has added a whole lot more glass to their building. So hey, a very quick update on the Circa, and then we'll do a walkthrough of the Fremont Street Experience. All right, let's go. And here we are. To the left, we have our garage mahal holding 1,200 vehicles. Looking pretty good, actually, yeah? And there we go there. And then back over to the Circa. Now, it looks like they have some gold trim added. I call it gold. Looks like gold trim added, which is nice. And then going up and away, check it out. A lot of the glass has been installed on this is the southern side and the western side of the building. Very good. Now this bridge connecting the garage mahal to the hotel casino is still a shell, not yet complete, but there's some chap working tonight, 8 o'clock. Must be double overtime by now. Well done, sir, well done. Oh, it's the piping, check it out. Yeah, it looks pretty good, yeah? All right. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to up here to Ogden. We're going to cross, take a look at the northern side of it, and then go down a bit more. How you doing? Okay, so now we're at the close to the corner of Main and Ogden. And as you can see, they have this nice shiny gold trim. Pretty nice, yeah? Pretty nice. Okay. Big bag garage mahal. 7. Crossing Ogden. This is the northern side of the casino. Yeah, and a lot of glass has been installed. Now you can see the elevator coming down. So there must be some kind of I presume, there's a push to get this thing done as 8 p.m. Well, not really, that doesn't make sense because there could be 3 shifts working or 2 shifts working, okay? All right, let's just zip down Ogden. We don't get hit by a car. Check it out. She's looking good, Jim. Whoa. Those of you wondering, there's your, is that a Rolls limo? I can't really tell you guys. I'm not very good with cars as far as brands. It's looking pretty good. So now this is the first day of opening in Las Vegas. Some casinos have opened, restaurants and so on, but a lot of places operating at 50% capacity, especially the restaurants and bars. They don't want to get them too crowded for our social distancing. But I feel bad for those bars, maybe people also, is because bars and restaurants, because I don't know how, even when they go open up a lot more places, to stay, to operate at half capacity and still paying full rent, That's got to be damn near impossible. All right. Oh, the California's open. Hey. California is very popular with our Hawaiian friends and family. They seem to come here quite a bit and they love this place. California. There's cross right here, which is probably illegal. That's just life. Down there. You can probably hear some music playing from the Fremont Street Experience. They got the speakers going, playing loud music. Now it's not really that crowded, but that'll be on the next video. Ha! All right. LVR, lots of recycling Inc. LVR24.com for your recycling needs. Now this is the eastern side of the casino. We still have our more glass going up. We have that chute, I call it a chute, that goes down, 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 down. I think they throw the trash in there, make it easy for the trash to be disposed of. All right, you guys, that's just a quick one. Oh, hang on. Here's a California, lit up, and there's Main Street off in the background. Nice little parking lot to the right. Goes right behind Binion's. I guess Binion's open too. Hey. All right, so that was a real quick one. Like I always say, this is your favorite man on the ground. One man, one camera. Like I always say, see me outside, say hello, and I'll say hello back. Take care wherever you are. Have a good day.